Welcome to the YEA Big meeting. And so today the meeting is going to be mostly divided into three parts. And so the first part is going to be a lecture on the solutions for the problems for levels 1 to 2. The second part will be a lecture going over solutions for problems of levels 3 to 4. And then the third part will be a lecture by Neil Yan on geometry.
So I'll be explaining level 1 and level 2. So a rectangle has side lengths 1 and 2, and it is inscribed inside of a semicircle. So the longer side length of the rectangle is on the diameter of the semicircle. So the area of the region inside the semicircle but outside the rectangle is the area of the semicircle minus the area of the rectangle. And to find the area of the semicircle, you need the radius of the circle. And the radius of the circle is these two lines. And these two lines are equal, and these two lines are equal. These two lines are equal. And these two lines are equal. So these two lines are equal. And so this is a midpoint of the side length 2. So this is 1, this is 1. And this is 1, this is 1. So the side length of, so the radius is root 2. And so the area is root 2 squared times pi over 2, which is pi. And the area of the rectangle is 1 times 2 equals 2. So the area of the region inside the semicircle but outside the rectangle is pi minus 2. Okay, next problem. So you construct a random triangle with two side lengths that are equal to 20 and 30. So this is 20 and this is 30. And the third altitude is the average of the first two altitudes. So the three altitudes are h1, h2, and h1 plus h2 over 2. And so we have these three altitudes, and if we look at the area, we have that 20 times h1 over 2 equals 30 times h2 over 2. And if we simplify this, we have h1 divided by h2 equals 3 over 2. And if we multiply both sides by h over 2, we get h1 equals 3 over 2 h2. And so the three altitude lengths are 1.5 h2, h2, and 1.25 h2. And this side corresponds to the 20, this side corresponds to the 30, and this corresponds to side x. And so 30 times its altitude h2 equals 1.25 h2 times x. and the h2 cancels, and we get x equals 30 divided by 1.25 equals 24. So by Heron's, the triangle, and then it's 20, 30, and 24. So by Heron's, the area is square root of s minus a, s minus b, and s minus c. S is 12 plus 10 plus 15, which is 37. So the answer is the square root of 37 times the times 37 minus 30 times 37 minus 20 times 37 minus 24. And that's the answer. And if we want to expand this, we get 13 times 7 is 91, and 37 times 13 is 37 times 17 is 9, and then 5, 2 plus 370, which is 926, and then 629 times 91 is 629, and then it's 1, and then 1, and then 8, and then 18 is 6, and then it's 2, and then 54, so it's 65. And so this is 9, 3, 2, 7, 5. So this is equivalent to square root of 57239.